All right, buddy, go for it.
Wait for me, JJ. Whoa, it sinks! Sand between my toes. It feels so weird and wonderful. Me too, it's so warm. It's like magic. Brr, cold. Whoa, cold but amazing. Wee, splash! The waves are rolling in. It's coming, step back. Now forward. It's chasing us, run! I'm coming too! Wee, chase the waves! JJ and Mia already completely soaked!
How did that happen so fast?
Wee, hi Mom, hi Dad.
Look, sand for you!
Oh, you too.
Coming in.
Got you!
Oh, it's on.
My turn! To the water!
Let's build a castle. Perfect spot.
I'll make a tower!
This is the best day.
JJ, come quick! A tidal pool! I'm coming, Mia! Look, tiny fish and a crab! Wow, and sea anemones! A school of fish! They're everywhere, don't move! It's ticklish! Like liquid silver, magic! JJ, look, a starfish.
Whoa, cool, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 arms, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Dolphins, look, Mia. Wow, they're coming closer. Let's jump with them. They're playing with us. Hee hee. Best day ever. Mia, look! I found a sand dollar! Mom! Dad, look what I found! No! The sand dollar!
Got it.
Phew, thanks, Dad.
Ready to build a sandcastle?
Yes, let's make it big! I'll help! Let's all work together.
I'm making a tunnel.
It's so pretty!
Great job, everyone.